Hi, and welcome to a short video that addresses the third step in the prototype scenarios on how you would use Salesforce to address the receipt of a notification of an incident. In this particular step, we are looking at assigning a work to an individual, and it's based around the case that's come in. So let's first up go to the Cases tab, and we'll find the case we want. So we can see we have unassigned cases as one of the views that we can go and look at. So I click on Go next to that, and it brings up the list of all unassigned cases. There is only one, and it's sitting in the regulatory queue. So if I go and open up the case, although I might note that you could from here go and change the owner straight away. In fact, you had a number of cases, you could select them all and change the owners all in one go. But in this case, we'll go into this particular case. Go into the case, we can see who the current case owner, it sits on the regulatory queue. Now, if I want to assign it to myself, so I've come in, I've looked at the queue, going, okay, yep, that's my case, I'll take care of that. I have an Assign to Myself button here, so I can just click that, and when I do, it's going to change the case owner to be me, and it's also going to change the status to Assigned. So let's go and do that now. So there it is, me, demo user, assigned, and the status is changed to Assigned. Perhaps you don't want to assign it to yourself and you want to assign it to another person. I can click on that. Let's change that. Let's look up the user. Let's say it's me. And notice that I can send a notification email as part of that. Personally, I don't need to see one, so I'm just going to go save. And that's now changed the owner to be Steve Holly to be able to access it. You could also assign it to another queue. So perhaps there's a group of workers who are monitoring it. So rather than assign it to a particular queue user, I can assign it to a queue, and you can choose from the queues that are available. And let's just say other case and save. Notice that when we do that, it's now not assigned to an individual, it's assigned to a queue. So therefore it's changed it back to unassigned. So hopefully that makes sense, and there's other things that the systems can help you with as we make changes to who owns the case and how that's allocated.